Rob Citrone is a billionaire. He's a billionaire hedge fund manager. Doesn't mean he's a better man than you. Yeah, it probably does mean he's a better man than you and me. Of course it does. Anyway, more importantly, let's look at the stocks that he's been buying according to public records. See if there's anything in them that might interest us. SolarEdge, Arista, KE Holdings, Hedge, and Spirit Airlines. Now, none of these are on my approved filtered list, so you're on your own on these, high risk. However, when I looked at SolarEdge Technologies, which I've looked at in the past, I guess what the billionaire is thinking is it's formed something of a base. Let me zoom in and start drawing pictures. It's formed something of a base, you can see there. And if it goes back to the highs that it keeps touching ever since January of 2021, then it should give him at least a 50% return. I suspect he'll start selling at a 25, 30, 40% return on that money. I guess that's what he's looking at. I'm taking a guess who can get inside the mind of a billionaire. There we go. Okay, that's his base. That's what he thinks is going to happen in the direction. What else has he been buying? Arista Networks, KE Holdings. Quite a few hedge funds are into that, by the way. They've only got peanuts in it, about 9 million. Hess Corporation, and Spirit Airlines. You can do the analysis on the other ones yourself because none of them are on my approved filtered list. Have a look at my campaignforamillion.com. Campaignforamillion.com. Look at the links in the bio. Look at my Telegram channel to get more of this.